Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to activate a Lucky mobile SIM card. First, open Google Chrome and search for Lucky Mobile SIM Activation. Next, click on the first link that appears to go to the official Lucky Mobile website. Once you are on the Lucky Mobile activation page, you will need to select an option. Choose either activate a physical SIM card or activate an eSIM based on the type of SIM card you have. Then enter the SIM card number in the designated field. After entering the SIM card number, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the remaining steps. These steps typically include selecting a mobile plan, adding any desired add-ons, providing account information, setting up top-up and payment options, and reviewing all your information. Finally, once you have reviewed all the details, click on Submit to complete the activation process. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.